Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's Excel tutorial, I will show you a simple formula to extract text after a specific word in Excel. This is especially useful if you are working with company names or other text strings where you need to a portion of the text like everything after private. So you can see our output should be look like this. So let's dive in. I have this formula. I'll show you here. Just copy this formula and paste the cell where you want. I'll paste it and I'll just change the sales reference. So for now my sales reference is A2, but I need my sales reference as A3, and I'll change it, and here we go. After changing it, I'll just hit enter and we'll see my output is now okay. This is the output I want, so I'll just drag it. So what I've changed, I've just picked the text private and get out from the excluded all the text, and I got it. So in this way you can do, and that's it. This formula is a quick and easy way to extract text based on a specific word in Excel. So I have kept this formula in description, you can copy from there. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Excel tips.